Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat iPhone. You can't beat dark mode. Not only does it preserve battery life on your phone, but it prevents you from searing your eyeballs when you're squeezing in those few last DMs before bed. In 2024, dark mode is a staple of pretty much every app. But Snapchat sure took its sweet time implementing one. It was first added to the iOS app only, so Android users had to use a complicated workaround. Now, though it's finally on Android proper, so it's very simple to activate on any smartphones. Enabling dark mode on iPhone is as easy as can be. Just follow these steps. On your Snapchat app, tap your Bitmoji icon at the top left. Then tap the settings cog at the top right. Scroll down until you find App Appearance and select that. And last, choose Always Dark from the menu. You're all done. Now you can snap away in dimly lit environments with optimum comfort. Dark mode offers several benefits, such as being easier on the eyes in low-light environments and potentially providing slight battery savings. Since black pixels use less power than white one, however, this battery advantage mainly applies if you're predominantly using apps like Snapchat. As Snapchat is focused on photo and video sharing, you might not always benefit from these power savings. Ultimately, choosing dark mode is a personal preference. Many users find it stylish and modern, but if you prefer light mode, that's equally valid. It's all about what you find visually appealing and comfortable. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.